Lord, sought for 33%
Stay
reservation.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ.
Please.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್.
Article 142.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. You should have yourself corrected it. You should have yourself corrected it. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
My lord,
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
my lord, I'll try to convince my lord. My lords, I understand that the power, the Supreme Court has exercised jurisdiction under 142. It has exclusive powers to, in order to secure complete justice, my lord. However, the principles and the direction that has already been granted by the Supreme Court becomes a precedent and binding on this honorable court. Already, my lord, the directions have been implemented with respect to the Bengaluru Association. On parity, my lord, we are seeking the same thing be implemented to the Tumkur District Association, my lord. My lord, if at all that I was asking
What-
for a new principle to be laid.
No, that's all right. Yes, President. All of you should definitely start this. How long do you?
Please, my lord. My lord, one.
No, it has to be carried out. Not for long, we will permit you to permit these associations to remain voice club. Yes,
My lord, the next election is after 2 years, my lord. My lord, one more submission is, we had preferred an application on 5/3/2025, which was much before the issuance of the calendar of events. So sufficient time was there for the association to bring in any kind of amendment to the bylaws. In fact, my lord, even if we go through the bylaws,
No.
the object of the association is to further the interest and empower the members of the association. My lord, if I may even make the submission that the ratio of men to women in the profession also shows huge disparity, my lord. The association can be a
cover ಏನ್
champion.
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
My lord, this can be a step to make changes
If
towards
they're
that.
prohibited, yes.
Miss, this, my lord, this warrants a change in the legal institution in the
It does.
profession.
I'm not saying yes,
Please,
warrants a change.
please, my lord.
Definitely. Till now it is not changed because there was no demand.
Please, my lord.
See, one thing you must know, power concedes nothing without demand. So you should demand.
Please, my lord. That is why we are before this honorable court, my lord.
And that is there. See, that is on their own they have overtaken. It's not, yes. That's there. I am in the committee there.
My lord.
That's a very good indication.
So that indication should flow here also, sir. How long do you stop it? That's why I said old men's club should give way to women now.
ಅದನ್ನೇ
They've all been throughout in this. So now let women come.
ಅದನ್ನೇ in our election, this honorable court.
They are equal in fact. Let them be equal in law.
Another distinguished there was, my lord, what had happened in the Bangalore Bar Association was the election was declared. But there they had time to go
Sir,
and make an.
election was declared in this. Even then Supreme Court stayed it and continued, they gave this direction.
Yes.
Here, yes, we'll see. I have stayed the election. Yavat election is?
5th of April.
April. Yes, we'll see what can be done.
My lord, in fact, generally, my lord, the elections are held in the last week of April, my lord. This has been preponed as well. So
By
sufficient.
anticipating something like this.
Not let the.
Yes, Praveen Godre.
That my statement cannot be taken as offending. Reason is this, Your lordship is very well aware of our association, how it works under the elections.
Hmm.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ Supreme Court rightly or wrongly this in order. That's the reason I said appending the.
ಇದು
The reason is
Right,
this,
it's
the
always-
reason is this, election ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಇದೆ,
ಹ್ಮ್
ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. There was various contenders have been already.
No, see, I'll tell you, you're all, 1 minute, you're all, Praveen Gaudre, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. You're all newly elected here. You have nothing to do with the Tumkur Association.
No, otherwise
Ba-
also may not.
Bangalore unit ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ದು?
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಅವರು
They look us as a mother.
ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
They always depend on us. Whatever we take any decision with respect to any of the issues,
Hmm.
they follow us.
So Bangalore bar is.
Very good. 1 minute,
Bangalore
1
bar is
minute,
setting
1
the
minute.
precedent.
No.
Alla, if they
1
say-
minute, sir. 1 minute. Praveen Gaudre, you just now said it's a mother bar. So definitely we should give reservation.
Please.
See, that is why I said, that's why I said, a woman pervades everywhere. You said mother's bar, ಬೇರೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. That's why, that's an instantaneous thing. That's an instantaneous thing that you gave it, yes. The Bangalore bar is supposed to be the mother bar to all the bar associations. So Bangalore has implemented.
Please.
ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ.
See,
ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಮೇಲೆ
no. See, always these associations should be progressive and not regressive. ಅಲ್ಲ, progressive ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? Action should speak louder than words, not merely saying, bring in something like this.
ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
No, sir, I for one believe, yes, there should be representation of women everywhere.
Please.
Everywhere to the percentage that is necessary. ಇದೇ ತರ this was what was fought even in Panchayat Raj. Now there are many women there. What is wrong? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅವರು?
ಇವಾಗ in the 2 years term,
Which one? ಇನ್ನು pending ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟವರಿಗೆ the matter is still pending consideration. Let them approach the Supreme Court, my lord, because the present order in respect of Bangalore Association, it is admitted to my lord.
What has happened to the Delhi Association thing?
42.
My lord, the similar petition which was filed before this honorable court is listed today before the Supreme Court, my lord.
I'll take this on Monday.
No, my
Please.
lord.
If there is no, 1 minute, I'll take this on Monday. If you are appearing there, you try to get an order, or else we'll pass some order on Monday.
Please, my lord.
Mm.
My lord, one submission is the petitioners are not financially sound to knock the doors of the Supreme Court.
Then we will wait, don't.
Please,
yes.
please, my lord. My lord, if I may say,
Monday.
it's already, since the directions are already implemented for
No,
Bangalore.
if I have to issue direction for fresh calendar of events, I will do it. On Monday, we'll see.
Please.
My lord,
Highly
before the
obliged.
apex court in Fauzi
Monday at
Rahman's
2:30 I will
case-
take.
Please.
But in the before the apex court in Fauzi Rahman's case, the Supreme Court has appointed a senior counsel as an amicus curiae
Hmm.
to collect information from all the bars that they are going to hold elections. What is the status? So.
No,
if-
that is in future.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
How do you redeem this situation?
What
what
I
I said is that regarding extension of this principle to other bars,
Bars.
whether it is necessary or not. they
information
have
to be
said
collected,
the Amicus curiae must give information
Information
and
to
they
the
will
court.
extend.
they can also make an application.
No, other bars in the state, other bars of other states,
States.
Other bar association.
other bar association of other states within the state.
Please.
ಅಲ್ಲ, within the
The
state
state
also.
My lord, one submission
of
in
what
that
bar association?
particular case.
Yeah, any bar.
My lord,
association.
in that particular case, the Supreme Court had directed that in the NCT of Delhi, district associations ಯಾವ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ರೆಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ directions ಇದೆ.
Supreme Court, even district association, Supreme Court.
Where
has
are those
taken-
orders?
Please,
Place all those orders.
please, my lord.
I'll take this at 2:30 on Monday. By then what Supreme Court would, ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇವತ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
50 ಆಗಿದೆ, all right.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Plus,
They will have to move there and then.
as she
My
said,
lord,
everybody cannot go to the Supreme Court.
Please, my lord.
Out of record ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್. ನನ್ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು. ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
But subsequent order, now we got lot of discrepancy in the association itself.
ಯಾಕೆ?
One post ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬೈಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗವರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ತಿಕ್ಕಾಟ. Now there is a.
ಏನ್ ಆಟ? ಹಾ,
ತಿಕ್ಕಾಟ.
ಹಾ, ಸರಿ, ಹಾ.
ನಮಗೆ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
No, I'll tell you one thing. In such directions given by the apex court or by any court of law or by decision taken by you, teething problems will always be there. That doesn't mean women will be out. because of your teething problems. You have to overcome those problems.
But what we did was, once again, but what we did was.
Because these are hitherto not envisaged situations.
Yes, but
For
what
the
we-
first time this has come, definitely problems will come.
We had one problem. When Supreme Court gave us this, it was January 24th, election was on February 2nd. So treasurer post got reserved. Immediately, we moved the Supreme Court within 3
Correct,
days
all that order ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
for reservation of a vice president post, additional post, because those who were contesting for that post, they had worked for the
Was
past 1 or
alright.
2 years. What would happen to them?
No, that's why, see, all of a sudden this direction has come. We will have to now redeem the situation that is now there, whether it is redeemable or not at this juncture, or it should be a direction in future, we'll see. But for the present, Monday I will do something on Monday.
What I
Because
prefer, what we,
Future, my lord, we have no objection.
No, you have to, you have no choice. Definitely I will pass some order, yes.
My lord, we have
Future ಗೆ.
comment by that. And
future
we have taken
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
into consideration the population of women in this
No, we'll
association.
see. Yes, I am surprised Madam was not there. Yes. Hmm.
Madam was the heroine in Supreme Court.
Heroine,
Gave us
Well,
all the problems.
Hero,
Lady in
Malord.
shade.
Or rather, my friend could have used the word protagonist.
The champion.
In respect of.
Champion
my-
of women's
Supreme Court, my lord, there are, I'm told that 1,200 lawyers are there, out of them only 200 women
Yeah.
are practicing. So therefore you have to look into the
Increase.
population.
that's all right. Proportionate reservation.
Amendment ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
My lord,
Unless the
it is
amendment
on
is
the-
there.
It is on the street.
Yes, Vidyashri, what is it? Huh?
My lord, it does not matter how many women are practicing, my
Sorry,
lord.
don't worry.
It is,
That's
my
all.
lord, on the strength we are asking for reservation. Your lordship, as
So there
much
should
as.
be
But
some,
one issue
there should be some method where
one
women are
issue is-
represented everywhere, yes.
Nowhere in India is any high court exercising this jurisdiction except the Supreme Court. Because they specifically do it under 142. So
Even
therefore, my lord,
present order also is
they
referred
can
to
go to the
142.
Supreme Court if
Your
at all.
lordship,
ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಹೆದರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು.
no. So what they expect is that very similar to the earlier writ petition, they would probably want us to go to the Supreme Court. The reason here we are seeking is that not just on parity, that the Karnataka High Court has already implemented it with respect to the Bangalore bar.
Associate, Karnataka High Court is not.
Association.
Yes.
Now, what we are stating is that it could be referred to the Supreme Court after giving an interim protection that what is being followed by this bar could be followed in Tumkur, but it would be subject to finality of what the Honorable Supreme Court decides for all the bars
We'll
ultimately.
see. Monday 2:30 I will pass an order.
Please.
We'll hear it. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ತೋರ್
ಅವ್ರ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್.
ಅವ್ರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ
ಓ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
No, all of them always seem to be progressive. They would want to show that they're progressive, but when it comes down to it, it never shows. It never reflects.
All difficulties, ಒಂದ್ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಅಭ್ಯಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ fag end up
See,
ಅದೇ
ಆ ಥರ.
ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ.
See, fag and all. Now Supreme Court passed an order. If we had done it anyway, we'll see. See, these things, impediments will always come when there is a change of this kind. It may be good, bad, or whatever. Impediments will come. That doesn't mean those changes should not come about. We should progress, and this is a first step towards progress, according to me. We'll see, we'll pass an order on Monday.
Cost of the contestants.
Yeah, cost of the contest, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ? So why sir, why women can't contest? ಮತ್ತೆ?
Say that, Bharat, if it
Quite
was
literally the cost.
bit early, ಅವ್ರೊಂದ್ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಮುಂಚೆನೋ 1 ವರ್ಷದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
Sir,
they would
the,
have-
1 minute. The seed of their right was sown before this court in the last election. And that seed germinated there in the Supreme Court when Supreme Court so said. Now, how can you trample it here? We'll see, we'll pass some order. Yes.
Interim order maybe.
I don't.
My lord,
Yes.
in
Supreme
fact,
Court plot, one additional post was created in such an event.
That's the
That-
point, that's what. See, if you want to make way, you should make way. There is no half-hearted attempt here. If you make an attempt to make way for reservation for women's representation, you should make way. We will see, look into it.
ಆ
They
ಥರ
could-
ಏನಾನ
They
additional
could find
post ಏನಾನ, if it
alternative
is inevitable.
solution similar to this creation of a vice president's post. They could do that, Your Lordship.
We'll see.
That's a welcome movement,
Let the vice president go to the
women.
women.
We'll see.
With no
We'll pass some order.
Financial powers ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ.
First strings,
ಏನು?
Your Lordship.
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
Treasurer.
ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪವರ್.
Correct, ಅವಾಗ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Correct. Exactly.
It is
Very
only when It is only when financial powers are given to women, like the family that will be in control, everybody will be in control.
Association.
Correct. That is how Uddar agadu. It is given to men all these days and you have finished everything. So give it to women and see, everything will be in place. ಅದೇ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ.
Newspaper.
Coffers are empty.
Give it to women, she will run the way she runs a family. Can you run a family? No. Yes.
That Lord, we are blessed that way.
That's why, yes.
So these kind of lines would always be there, but the implementation is never there, Lord. They could have, Tumkur could have voluntarily said, Bangalore bars adopted it, we will.
No,
do it."
before you came, I told her,
Personal view, not
no,
the view of the
before you
association.
came, I told Vidyashri,
Please.
in this situation, in this scenario, in anything, power concedes nothing without demand. So you should demand.
Demand.
Yes.
So that is why the amicus curiae point.
ನಾವು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ sir, ಯಾಕೆ?
My lord,
That's why I said, if women are equal in fact, they should be equal in law. So what?
my lord,
Deny it.
my lord expressed that not everybody can go to the Supreme Court. The
Correct.
idea of the Supreme Court, apex court was that having an amicus curiae was that all those bars could directly move or write a letter to the amicus curiae.
No, no.
Place their.
Let's see. Now, only rhetoric will not take us anywhere. Reality on Monday will pass some.
They have reserved women post. Not to that portion.
Don't, we'll see.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Monday I'll look into where orders I'll kodi Videsh. Whatever you have in your kitty, please give.
Please, please.
Yes,
My lord, I'll make a memo and.
please make a memo, make an index to that. What is it, but please hand over everything.
Please.
Monday will pass. Yes.
We need more men, my lord.
Huh?
We need more men to be champion for our rights.
Oh. Yes. Yes.
Obliged. Great.
55.